Hello there. So I just want to take some time out of your day to tell you a little bit about myself. Hi, I'm Slade Gold, Mr.G, and I run this YouTube channel. I'm currently a junior in high school and I'm taking woodworking class. This means I'm learning and teaching you at the same time. This makes me different from many other accounts. Additionally, I am the founder and president of the Woodworking Honor Society, which is a group of children that truly love the woodworking trade. We learn, we teach, and then we help our community and all the people within this nation. Additionally, my grandfather was a woodworking teacher, which means I was raised by seeing all different projects and tools, and I learned from a young age, which made this something I truly love. I'm also in high school again, and my freshman year, sophomore year, and junior year, I've learned new skills in the woodworking trade. This has caused me to want to help you and help tons of other people around me. I hope you enjoy this account. Have a great day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.